me about this Honeycomb goodness.
So what you see here is the Motorola XOOM, which is the first tablet built to be specifically a tablet, created by Motorola Mobility, the same company that brought you such innovations as the Dynatec, the StarTech, the Razr, and the original Droid by Motorola. So what we see here is that we'll have some videos just kind of step through, show you various aspects of what Honeycomb is all about.
So just to clear it up, those videos, that's it's not actual Android 3.0, it's just these videos that are giving demonstrations.
So what it is here, actually, this is Android 3.0. These videos were created by essentially using HDMI, mirror mode support. What you see on display is what you see in the external display, and then simply doing screen capture on the external display. So this is actually someone actually manipulating the display here and capturing it directly. These weren't produced in any kind of studio or animations like that. So here's showing a bit of the ebook app. So you can see great rich text, a real kind of great ebook experience that I think people who are really into the ebooks are going to really enjoy. You have options to be able to set it into daylight and night mode on it as well. Browser, another Google application, completely rethought and redone specifically for the tablet. So you have the active browser bookmark page. You can scroll it, one step, select it. Here we see going to Gmail.
How large is that screen?
So this is a 10.1 inch, 1280 by 800 HD display. So you notice also now you have multiple tabs that have been opened.
Right.
So again, like a PC type of browsing experience, one-step navigation across multiple browsers. If you want to go to a different page, no need to close down that session and restart another one. Also, Flash 10.1 will be supported on this device at launch. It really enhances the overall browsing experience. Essentially, there are 2 to 3 million Flash developers worldwide. It is an immense franchise, and I think really is a necessity if you really claim to have a best-in-class browser.
And I think I heard you say somebody else a few minutes ago that the browser it's a WebKit browser. It's not Chrome, not Firefox.
It's a WebKit browser, but it's a WebKit browser for Honeycomb. That
right.
So substantial amount of work performance. We've measured this to be about 50% faster than the other leading competitors out in the market here. So again, even browsing, about 10 hours of browsing time over Wi-Fi, almost 9 hours on 3G. And as you see here is, again, purpose-built kind of PC-like email application, so laid out to be like a PC, dual panels, Gmail.
And then the cameras, what are the megapixels on the rear and the forward and the front?
It's a 2 megapixel front camera, okay. 5 megapixel rear.
Okay, with a flash?
With a flash on it. So again, example here we showed here was basically someone launching a link to go to Maps on there. So again, multitasking, unrestrained multitasking, single-step options to be able to toggle between multiple active applications without having to essentially shut down and relaunch another window.
And
Google Talk. So I think just to go on this one. So this one here will show a little bit more about the front and rear camera. So again, Google Talk. You can launch the widget directly from the home screen. So one-step navigation across to the entire UI. And again, dual cameras in action. You can also do See What I See, streaming and capturing a 720p simultaneously, both cameras.
So with Verizon's, or do you know off the top of your head, with Verizon's partnership with Skype, is Skype the official video calling program that's going to come on this?
So we'll launch with Google Talk. But Honeycomb supports a open source SIP stack. The Jane SIP stack is also going to be available on there. So certainly Skype and anybody Quick and anybody else on there will easily be downloadable and supported on the Motorola XOOM also.
And then the estimated launch, wasn't there a quarter? I can't remember.
It's Q1 for the 3G and Q2 for the 4G. So here's a great one. The Google Maps. Andy Rubin made quite a splash showing the 3D one to Walt Mossberg. Here again, you see the keyboard. Type again New York City, zooming, vector graphics. So what it basically means is that smooth scrolling across all the maps. You no longer have to worry about going off too far. and seeing the boxes, the pixelated boxes, which you kind of fill in again. Vectors allow that now to allow smooth scrolling, and also 3D effects as well. And finally, what you're showing there, Street View, so you can get down to Street View and really kind of immerse yourself and really, visit a lot of foreign places. There are about 100 cities currently mapped by Google, and it's a major effort that Google's going worldwide in adding that total. So it's another part that's going to evolve, certainly with Honeycomb going forward. And so again, and just kind of tying it off overall on Honeycomb. Again, active panels here. It's a very 3D centric UI overall. Actually, let me show you the YouTube as well, which is
oh yeah.
That's fine.
Any calling capabilities on this?
It's a data-only device.
Okay,
So
data-only.
yeah, so cellular calling won't be supported. I mean, certainly we felt that it just for a tablet like this, calling we felt was more of a pocketable type of experience. And
Right.
given kind of the data plans and what carriers are trying to do, certainly we didn't think that it was necessarily the right one to have on a tablet of this size.
So there you have it. The Motorola XOOM with Android 3.0 coming to Verizon in the first quarter. Much more coverage to come from PhoneDog.com at CES. It's not even day one yet. It's day 0. But we're here and we're going to make sure you get all the coverage you need. Live from CES. Keep it locked on PhoneDog.com. I'm Aaron. Thanks for watching.